everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my first geode coaster. I've seen a lot of beautiful ones on YouTube and Instagram and I really want to try my hand at making one. So I have my molds here. I got these molds from Amazon. So they are irregular on the sides and all four of them are different. And then I'm going to be using some pigment powders. I picked out three, a dark color, a lighter color, and a white. And also in the middle, I'm going to be adding some gold flakes. Alright, so let's get our mask on and some gloves and let's get started. First, we're going to mix our resin. We're going to pour a lot because the instructions on the mold say that they take about 3 ounces of resin each. We're going to mix it really well for about 3 to 4 minutes. I did warm up my resin beforehand to help eliminate bubbles. Then we're going to mix in the colors. I'm going to add a lot because I didn't want this to be transparent. The gold flakes is going into regular clear resin. Now we're ready to pour. We're going to start with the gold in the middle of the coaster. And then we'll pour the brighter blue around the gold. On the outside, we're going to pour the dark blue. Now we're going to go back and pour more of the bright blue. Now we're going to pour more clear and gold in the middle. Using a heat gun, we're going to blend the colors a little and also pop the bubbles. Now we're going to pour a layer of white. With a toothpick, I'm going to mix the colors so that we don't get those hard lines between the colors. And one last round of heat gun. Now we're going to let it sit for a day to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day. Let's take a look at our little coasters. So here are the pieces from the back. They look really nice. So pretty. I really love that gold in the middle. Okay, now let's take it out. And here it is. Ooh, so pretty. Here it is from the back. Looking really nice. Here's the third one. And here's the last one. Ooh, super cool. So the next thing we want to do is add a little bit of gold to the edges. And for this, I'm going to be using some liquid treasure gold. We're going to just paint it on with a paintbrush and as needed, add more coats. Alright everyone, so we are done. Here are the 4 coasters. The sides are gilded with gold and it looks fantastic. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice like this. So you can either use it on this side or flip it over and use it on this side. I think both sides look really good. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my first geode. And I want to make more, so what color combinations do you think I should make next? I have this box full of pigment and I was thinking maybe I should just pick some random colors and make some geodes out of them and see how it turns out. What do you think? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!